I stayed late after school that day. The hallways empty, lockers silent. The building felt too big, but I told myself it was fine. Just print my project and leave. Halfway down the corridor, the lights above me flickered. Once, twice. Then everything went still. I turned and froze. Someone stood at the far end of the hall. A tall shadow. No face, just a dark outline against the exit sign's red glow. "Hello?" My voice cracked. No answer. The figure didn't move until I took a step back. Then it sprinted. Full speed. I bolted into the nearest classroom, slammed the door, killed the lights, and hid. My chest heaved. Footsteps stopped right outside. Slow, deliberate. The handle rattled, and then... silence. I stayed there until a janitor found me. He swore no one else was in the building. But I know what I saw.